Hello everyone. This tutorial is for Oklahoma State University students that are studying career and technical education. And this may or may not be your first time using LiveText, so we're going to go through a couple things that you may have already done, and if you have, then you're just one step ahead. If you haven't, go ahead and follow these instructions. If you have not activated a LiveText account, you need to go ahead and do that. And the first way, or the easiest way to do that, is to click Login, and then Register or Purchase. If you bought the membership in the bookstore, you're going to click this option, which is Register. And if you want to purchase it online, you also have that option. So you would select this option. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this option. The edition you need is the standard edition, which is $98. So we would click Select this membership. And then step 2 is entering your personal information. Step 3 is creating your credentials for this account. And then we would click Almost Done, and then if you're purchasing online, you would have to pay for the membership. So that's how you do that. I've already activated my account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. When we log into our LiveText account, we're going to see the dashboard, which has two sections, Active Documents and Active Reviews. To create a new template, which is what you need to do to start your portfolio, we're going to click New Document. For the folder, we're going to choose Portfolios. For the template, we're going to choose CTED Portfolio Template. And for your title, you want to title it Last Name, First Name, CTED Portfolio. Okay, for the layout, we want to leave it as multiple page. For the style set, you can play around with that later, but there are all sorts of style sets you can select from. I'm going to click Save as New Document. Okay, and here's your template. This is what you have to work from. Your template may look slightly different when you start your portfolio, but the basics are the same, and the basics for editing and reviewing and sending for review are going to be the same. So let's look at this. This is our introduction. It says use this section to introduce yourself. This should be 6 to 8 sentences about yourself. A picture would be a nice addition. Okay, that's one thing you're going to do. So we click Edit, and it acts just like a word processor. So we can change the font size, we can change, the font type, the font size, we can change the alignment, we can change the color. Another option is to insert an image. So you might have some things that are artifacts, or in this section you might want to insert an image of yourself, and use this option instead of a file attachment if it's an image type file, because then it'll show up without the reviewer having to open the file. And then in some instances you might want to attach a file. Maybe it's a Word document with a lesson plan, or maybe it's a PDF document that has a certificate of attendance or something like that. So again, you've got three options. You've got the word processor option, the inserting the image, and then attaching a file. Okay, always click Save and Finish, and that'll take you out of that section back to the template. And those are the basics of editing a document. Okay, you see you've got all of these different pages within your template, and you're not addressing all of these things at once. But by the end of Submission 3, all of these things will have something in them. Okay, when you get ready to send for review, that means you're done with Submission 1 or Submission 2 or Submission 3. You always want to verify that everything's spelled correctly, everything looks visually nice. Those are things that a reviewer, it can detract from your content if it doesn't look professional, like a professional portfolio should. So anyway, after you've spell checked and done all of those things, we want to click Send for Review. And in this box, we're going to type in OSU CTED. It should auto-detect. We'll select that. And you see here it says Selected Reviewers, and it says OSU CTED. Then we'll click Submit for Review. You'll get a little note here that says you have successfully sent this document to one user. That makes some people feel a little uncomfortable because they don't know exactly where it went. So it's just like checking a sent item in your email. If you go to this Reviews tab up at the top, and then we look in our Sent tab, we can see that we sent that portfolio, to whom we sent it, and what time we sent it. If we want to unsubmit it, maybe it was a mistake that we did that, we can always click Unsubmit, and that will pull it back from the reviewer. So that is it for this tutorial. Please let your portfolio specialist know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you.